talk about digits today. Has anybody ever heard of the word digits? So digits are numbers, and we have numbers. Numbers might be one digit, which means that they're for the ones. They might have two digits, which means tens, or three digits, which means they're hundreds. So can anybody give me an example of a two-digit number? 17 would be an example of a two-digit number, or 23, or 44. 81, good. Can anyone give me an example of a three-digit number?
Three-digit number.
Yeah, so 142, yeah.
123.
Yeah, 123, 571. Those would be examples of three-digit numbers. So remember, one-digit numbers are for the ones, two-digit numbers are for the tens, and three-digit numbers are for the hundreds. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
This word, digit. Say that, digit. And a digit, it's a number. It's a number. So, 29. How many digits?
Two.
Two, 9. Two digits. 8. How many digits?
One digit.
That is a one-digit number. What about 70?
Two digit.
Two digits. Even if 1, 0, that's still a digit. 1, 2, two digits. How about three digits? 9, 1, 1, three digits. How about how many digits?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 7 digits. Okay. So today, we will just practice with smaller digits. We have one-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. And some three-digit numbers. Okay? I will give you a number, and you come put it under one digit, or two digits, or three digits. How many? How many digits in your number? Okay. Okay. Do we have them all up there, Sarah? Where did yours go? Okay, so you've got this. We know these are all one-digit numbers. Anything need to be changed here?
Yes. The 9? Yes. One digit.
Yeah, how many digits?
One digit.
Just one digit. Yeah, one digit here. Okay, so we have our one-digit numbers, just one number.
Yes.
Two-digit numbers.
Yeah.
0, 6 would be a one-digit number. I think, I was thinking of 90, but still. Yep. Okay, you can sit down. So we have two-digit numbers. We have three-digit numbers. Good. Who can think of one more one-digit number? Give me another one-digit number that's not up here. What would another one-digit number be?
5.
5. Yeah, 5 isn't up there. That would be another one-digit number.
5, 6.
What would another two-digit number be?
11.
11. Good. 11 would be a two-digit number. Who can give me another three-digit number?
18.
18?
No.
I think 18.
107.
I heard someone say
120.
122. Yes, 122. 3 digits. Good. So you understand a digit. It's a number.
Hello, how was your book? A good book? All right. So we're going to start out, we're going to begin by having you talk about the title of your book, and then we're going to go through the questions. You're going to answer all of the questions that I'm going to ask you. So you're going to give me a chance to tell me all about your book and share how you felt about it and everything. So we're about to get started. Does anyone have any questions for me?
No.
The book question.
Yeah, so you're going to be answering those questions that you have about the book. So I'm going to have you take turns. You're going to talk to me and tell me about the book, and then when you're done, the next person's chance will get the chance to go.
Thank you. Very nice job reading. You can stop reading now. You can put your book down, okay? So I want you to do 2 things. I want you to tell me the title of your book, and I want you to read the questions and answer them. Okay? So, first, what are you going to tell me first? The title. Yep, the title is first. And then second, and then the questions. Right, and I'm going to show you first, okay? So you can just relax. I'll show you, okay? Don't worry. Right? Yep. So first the title, then the questions, okay? So watch me. I will show you how to do it, okay? Okay, so I read stress. I read stress, okay? Let's see, question 1, who is the book about? All right, this book is about Anne. She has a lot of stress in her life. She talks to someone else about it, her friend Kim. So it's about Anne and her friend Kim, okay? Okay, question 2. What happens in the book? So, in this book, Anne has many problems. She has problems at work. She has problems with her family. And she's under a lot of stress. So she tells her friend Kim about it, and Kim gives her a lot of good ideas about what to do about her stress. Okay, question 3. When did the story take place? This book, there's not really a time for when the story took place. Number 4, where does the story take place? Again, this isn't really in any place. Number 5, did you like the book? Yes, I really like this book. Okay, so I first read the title, and then I read the questions, and I answered the questions.
All right, students, what's this? Yeah. What's this? What's this? Chest. Yeah. What's this? What's this? Arm. What's this? Legs. What's this? Back. What's this? Feet. What's this? Skin. Good catch. Okay. Students, can I have one teacher come? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Some? Oh, teacher Some is coming. Let's listen to teacher Some.
What is it?
Stomach.
What is it?
Chest.
What is it?
Neck.
What is it?
Arm.
What is it?
Skin.
What is it? What is it?
Nose. Good one. Yeah.
What is it?
Chest.
Some.
Some. Good job, Some. Any other teacher? Teacher Fami?
Why is it?
Head.
Why is it?
Neck.
Why is it?
Chest.
Why is it?
Stomach.
Why is it? Leg. Why is it? Feet. Why is it? Why is it? Why
Skin.
is it? Why is it? What? Why is it?
Arm. Teacher Fami. So, students, together in your table, can you say, what's this? What's this? What's this? Together? Together?
Why is it?
What is it?
You want to, yeah. Okay, move there.
What is it?
What is it? And what is it?
Cheese.
Back.
Fish.
Skin.
Chest. Stomach. Nose.
No.
When I go to doctor, I'm sick, or maybe, yeah, right. I go to doctor, doctor says, what hurts? Yeah. Hurts. Hurts. Yeah. Hurts. Okay. What hurts? Yeah. What hurts? What hurts? What hurts? What is the problem? What hurts? Yeah, backache or yeah. My back hurts. Yeah, my back hurts. My back hurts. Oh, Sume told me today. Teacher Diego gave me no school. Yeah. So what hurts? My head hurts. Yeah. My head hurts. My head hurts. My head hurts. Yeah. My head hurts. Yeah, good. My head hurts. Sometimes, Teacher Diego, I sleep. I wake up. Yeah. What hurts? What hurts? My neck hurts. My neck hurts. Ugh. Yeah. So students, Teacher Diego will say, What hurts? What hurts? Students, you say, my stomach hurts. Look, I will point. Okay? All right, students, what hurts? My head hurts. Yeah, my head hurts. What hurts? My chest hurts. What hurts? My hand hurts. I will give you paper. Here you are. So, students, look at me. Number 1, Teacher Suzanne and I together. Teacher Diego, doctor. Teacher Suzanne, okay, patient. Teacher Suzanne, what hurts?
My neck hurts.
Yeah. What hurts?
My back hurts.
Good. What hurts?
My chest hurts.
Good. Okay. So students, 2 people together, 1 doctor. What hurts? What hurts? What hurts? 1 patient. My neck hurts. My back hurts. My feet hurt. Okay? Let's work together. Together. Yeah. later, yeah. Yeah. Together. My boy, you and me together.
What hurts? My chest hurts. What hurts? My back hurts. What hurts? My stomach hurts. What hurts? My head hurts.
Feet. My feet hurt. You say feet. Good. What hurts? My chest hurts. What hurts? My head hurts. What hurts? Good. My stomach hurts. Good job. That was great.